everyone! I'm Bethany from Biz Builders, and if you're a complete beginner who wants to start an LLC in 2026, this is definitely for you. I'm going to show you the actual simplest way to get your LLC up and running, even if you know absolutely nothing about business. So here's the thing, you have two options. Option 1, spend weeks trying to figure out confusing government websites, legal terminology, filing requirements, registered agents, and, well, hoping you don't mess something up as a total beginner. Or option 2, let professionals handle everything while you focus on, actually learning how to run your business. Now, I tried the DIY route when I was a complete newbie. Big mistake between not understanding basic business terms, filing fees I didn't know about, legal requirements that made no sense, and spending countless hours feeling overwhelmed. I wasted 3 months and still had to pay someone to fix my mistakes. So yeah, not fun. Here's what you actually need to start an LLC as a beginner. First, obviously, your business name. Think of something unique that represents what you want to do. Second, get a registered agent. This is just someone who receives mail for your business. Third, file your articles of organization, basically telling the state, hey, I'm starting a business. Fourth, get your EIN from the IRS. It's like a social security number for your business. Fifth, create an operating agreement, your business rulebook. And sixth, open a business bank account. Now, this sounds simple, but when you're new to business, everything feels overwhelming. Legal jargon, state requirements, tax implications. One mistake can cost you time and money you don't have. That's why I recommend Taylor Brands. Look, they handle everything. Registered agent, state filing, EIN, operating agreement, even help with your business bank account. Most importantly, they explain everything in simple terms and do it right the first time. Here's the best part. Through our exclusive partnership, you can get started for $0 plus your state's filing fees. That's literally the cost of doing it yourself, but with professional help and beginner-friendly guidance. So stop feeling overwhelmed by business formation. Use our link in the description. Get your LLC formed properly and start your entrepreneurial journey today. Trust me, your future business owner self will thank you. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more beginner-friendly business advice. I'll see you in the next video.